literally everything. We just did 6 days in Port Ludlow on the Olympic Peninsula. Just walked through some humongous spiderweb. And we had weeks of smoke, and we had water crazy in between there, so things got overly watered and then it didn't. I actually left these on when I probably should have taken them off. It didn't get to this. This one looks like it might be good still. Yeah, looks pretty solid, and I'm not watering it. Of course, this might rain, but this one doesn't look great. We have a fair amount. See, this smells funky here. That could be these rotting cabbages. That's exactly what it smells like, actually. There's a lot of eggplant here and a hell of a lot of eggplant there. A hell of a lot. 2 digits of pounds of them. I don't know. I'm not sure. This fell, this last one here, and I jerried it up. These are doing, they're still, but we had, the splitting is intense due to the, grow some tomatoes over there. Which is actually, that's the main reason I'm down here. The more interesting thing I saw. But this might be cooked. Oh, hey, buddy, how you doing? Focus. Wow, these cameras really need a manual focus, don't they? Maybe it doesn't want to be seen. These are weeds, of course. Every shard plant here is a weed. And that's the thing, is it's definitely become clear recently, but you want to nurture populations of plants if you can, because these all grew on their own with not a drop of work. I just harvest the leaves when I want them. They're a little dusty now, I don't know why, but that can be cleaned up, and maybe it's fire related. We just scrub them and they're all right. Been real busy, of course, with all this. So these are potato that need to get harvested. I think they'll wait there just fine for a little while. We'll just chop up these weeds in between, more green matter. These corns, something happened too, although somebody's enjoying them, which is great. But that brings me to this guy here, which is delicious. And I got to the point now, you just take a look to make sure there's nothing absolutely terrible. And if you know what seeds have been flying all over the place, then you have to know that this is arugula. So now, in the past, got a little arugula. Step around it, put it in my salads. It's not that much here, but it's a good sign. There might be more. It's very strong now. There's some over there as well. But I think plant populations is really a good thing. That's why over there, this little stick here is a brassica, some kale thing that grew here. I say kale thing that grew because if kale is near any other plant, the seeds aren't going to be kale. There'll be something else. This one showed up, this brassica. That'll be good eating. All of the plants are gone here. Should I take this? Looks like I probably should. Yeah. Let's take this little guy. Got the rest. We had a massive watermelon here, and actually the watermelon is doing the best almost of all. Although I guess, no, that changed recently. But anyway, plant populations are, just let it grow on its own. You don't have to do any work.